So HR, Hrithik Roshan, Himesh Reshammiya, what does HR stand for? Thank God, I have your attention finally. What do you think HR does actually? If I can ask you, what does HR do? क्या करते हैं?
वो स्किल जो होते हैं उनका टैलेंट होता है, स्किल्ड पर्सन उनको जो जिसमें वो ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं उन लोगों को रिक्रूट करता है.
What else?
ट्रेनिंग
और
ऑडिटिंग
मैनेजमेंट, ऑडिटिंग, ट्रेनिंग. थैंकफुली आप लोगों को लगता है HR कुछ करता है. मैक्सिमम लोगों को लगता है HR कुछ करता ही नहीं, खाली बैठा. That's the image in the industry. What do they do? Nothing. But they really do a lot. 4 things you pointed out. We'll learn a few more things here. I'll actually cover a few things. What is HR? What do they do? Training? Or is it a good job? Something that you go home and say, smile at and say, okay, I did something nice today. And did I get money home? Very important. This is a small.
When sporting teams and work teams have plans to improve themselves or simply have a
Can you
better
hear this?
the coach or manager usually calls in a specialist to find new talents. In companies, that specialist is the HR or human resources manager. HR staff kick into action and start the search for interested recruits. Recruiting is a huge part of making great teams. From the group of wannabes, HR staff use their knowledge and experience to find the best person for the job. HR managers are a vital link in the company's overall structure, making sure that the people match the company's purpose. But human resources staff do much more than find stars for the team. They provide expert advice to managers about how they can improve their team's performance and suggest training options to optimize staff potential. HR staff also monitor well-being, look after safety needs, and sometimes act as intermediaries. Both sides need HR when differences arise. And importantly, they make sure people get paid fairly. They then follow up to ensure when jobs change, so does the pay. Keeping capable staff saves time and money in the long run, so HR managers play a big part in staff retention. In a big company, helping people along a successful career path is part of this responsibility. HR managers can make a big difference when they connect the right people. They help shape the business by facilitating change. Then everyone benefits. HR experts are employed all over the world, which allows for great overseas employment opportunities. So in summing up, human resources recruit team members, advise on team performance, oversee staff training options, monitor well-being, facilitate change, organise salary payments, and resolve grievances.
Just take a pause here. So traditionally, this is what HR does: recruit, train, process salaries, help in developing people, developing organizations, a lot of things. I'll just tell you how I, as someone who was in HR, who is in HR, grew over the period. When I started my career, 2003, I started as an HR trainee. It was a life insurance company. They wanted their complete HR processes to be documented. See, HR के भी ना बहुत सारे processes होते हैं. Recruitment किया, फिर train किया, फिर अगर किसी को promote करना है तो हर level की promotion के अलग अलग processes होते हैं. अब इतने सारे processes हैं, कोई 10 साल एक organization में उसे पता है, वो चला जाएगा, उसके बाद कोई आएगा तो कैसे पता चलेगा? So they just wanted someone to document those processes. I said, fair enough, at least I'll get to know कि process होता क्या है. MBA में बताते हैं HR के processes होते हैं, पर कैसे होते हैं कोई नहीं बताता. So I thought, अच्छा ये training कर लेते हैं, पता चल जाएगा HR processes क्या होते हैं. उधर से I moved on to a complete different profile which was to do with recruitments. I worked with Wipro. Wipro ने तब अपना एक BPO start किया था, Spectramine करके एक BPO होता था, उससे buy किया था Wipro ने, and they started their BPO called Wipro BPO. I was recruiting over there. So we used to day in day out, all 7 days of the week, we used to recruit people for that BPO. Very simple skills, people who could speak good English, were team players, could understand that they need to, kind of give a solution to the customer, were most welcome. Rest training was given to them in the organization, and then it was the organization's headache how to ensure good performance out of it. A team of 100 people where उनका end-to-end employee life cycle, वो जिस दिन से इस organization में आए से लेके exit तक सारा कुछ, which even meant अगर उनको कोई reward देना है तो reward क्या होना चाहिए, reward क्यों मिलना चाहिए, अगर reward मिलना है उन 100 लोगों में तो कैसे choose किया जाए, performance management, everything. Then I started, I joined this organization. Then again, for some more years in corporates doing similar stuff, recruitment, post-recruitment, compensation and benefits, a lot of other things. Then I joined this organization which was a startup at that time, Execute HR. अभी क्या हो रहा है HR world में ना, organizations have realized कि हम सारा काम खुद नहीं कर सकते, तो अपना थोड़ा सा काम कहीं बाहर किसी को दे देते हैं. कोई कंपनी जो सिर्फ HR की एक्सपर्ट है उसको थोड़ा सा काम दे देते हैं. Now that थोड़ा सा काम could be as simple as salary process करो और हमारे लिए लोग रिक्रूट कर दो, या हमारा पूरा HR प्रोसेस आप मैनेज कर दो. अटेंडेंस मैनेज करना है, लीव मैनेज करना है. लोग अब 10,000 बिग लोगों की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. अब 10,000 लोगों की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होगी तो उसमें से रोज़ कम से कम 10 या 15 लोगों को कोई ना कोई अपनी लीव के बारे में क्वेश्चन होगा, किसी बेनिफिट के बारे में क्वेश्चन होगा, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन होंगे. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर कौन इन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करेगा, चलो इस काम को भी आउटसोर्स कर देते हैं. सो लॉट ऑफ आउटसोर्सिंग इज ऑल्सो इन हैपनिंग इन HR. I joined this company called Execute HR, which was into HR outsourcing. Was working with them for the last 5+ years, and I thought, okay, now I want to do something different, and I want to, only and only help organizations in putting HR solutions in place. So I stepped out and I started my own. But all these years, my learning never stopped. MBA तो हो गया था, graduation हो गई, MBA की डिग्री भी मिल गई, एक स्टैम्प लग गया, सर्टिफाइड HR प्रोफेशनल. बट उससे तो कुछ नहीं आता. वो तो आपको हर एक रोल के साथ नया चीज़ सीखना है. That is how you will grow. You have to learn. Also what I realized when I had started my career that video was my understanding of HR. ये 10 चीज़ें हैं जो HR ने करनी है. But standing today, I realize that HR is a lot more. If you enter an organization, the first person you meet is the human resource professional of that organization. He is actually the brand ambassador. जैसे अगर किसी को हॉर्लिक्स या कॉम्प्लान या बॉर्नवीटा खरीदना है, पहले याद आता है अच्छा ऐड में कौन था, कौन सा ऐड ज़्यादा अच्छा था, चलो मैं वो हॉर्लिक्स कॉम्प्लान बॉर्नवीटा में से कोई एक चीज़ खरीद लूँगा. We really do not read कि उसमें ingredients क्या है, ऐड से याद करते हो, है ना. ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जब घुसते हो, किसी कंपनी में घुसते हो, तो याद करते हो उधर HR में किससे मिले थे. सो HR इज एक्चुअली द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. इफ दे फेल you, they fail the organization. If I cannot be good with you, you will not even want to enter my organization. Right, wrong? Right. They sit with managers and understand कि इतने लोग क्यों चाहिए, क्या करना है इतने लोगों का, क्या within the company जितने लोग हैं उनसे काम हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता तो कितने लोग चाहिए, कहाँ से ये लोग लाएं. ग्रेजुएट्स ने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स क्यों ना लें, अगर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट ले लें तो उनको कितनी सैलरी मिलनी चाहिए. जस्ट एवरीथिंग दे सिट एंड डिसाइड एंड दे प्लान द स्ट्रैटेजीज. बिकॉज फेसबुक बहुत कुछ कर रहा है लोगों के लिए और अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए, टू मेक श्योर कि फेसबुक इज राइट देयर, टॉप ऑफ द ब्रैकेट. फर्स्ट चीज़ रिकॉल करो, मुझे अगर इंटरनेट वर्ल्ड ज्वाइन करना है तो गूगल या फेसबुक ज्वाइन करना है, बाकी सब बाद में आएगा. ये रीडिफ, इंडिया टाइम्स बाद में आएंगे. वो क्या करते, कुछ नहीं करते. इंटरनेट पे जाओ, गूगल सर्च करो, गूगल के ऑफिस की कितनी अच्छी फोटोज आती है, रीडिफ की कोई नहीं दिखाता. बिकॉज गूगल इज डूइंग अ लॉट फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अ लॉट फॉर द एम्प्लॉयज. दैट इज एम्प्लॉयर ब्रांडिंग. सो HR इज ऑल्सो डूइंग एम्प्लॉयर ब्रांडिंग. दे आर वेलनेस मैनेजर्स. लॉट ऑफ टाइम HR spends is to do with the wellness of the organization. As simple as there are these wellness camps that people organize. That's just one part, but there's a lot more that they do for your wellness. कितना सीटिंग स्पेस होना चाहिए, कितने लोग एक रूम में बैठने चाहिए, अगर कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम है तो वो एरी है या नहीं है, is all that. HR works with some other teams, but they help in deciding those things. Coaching, and they're also custodians of something called culture. जैसे आपका कॉलेज है, कॉलेज का एक कल्चर है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का भी कल्चर होता है. So when जैसे इन्होंने बोला फेसबुक, तो फेसबुक क्यों, किसी ने कभी रिसर्च किया फेसबुक कैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है टू वर्क विद? गूगल, आज रिसर्च करना, देयर इज अ लॉट दैट यू विल गेट ऑन द culture of that organization. You might not get positions in that organization because they do not talk about positions. They talk what is it that they give to you. If you're interested, they'll make a position for you. बहुत ज़्यादा automation हो रही है. Some of you who are good with technology here, like our friend for Facebook. Anybody else? Technology oriented. There's a lot that you can do in HR also today because HR to a large extent is getting automated end to end. Recruitment से लेके exit तक सारा कुछ online हो जाता है. You don't even need a face. Any of you who's actually interested in being in HR? One hand में. और कोई है? क्या चाहिए क्या HR में आने के लिए? Good communication, persuasion, interpersonal skills. अगर आपको लोगों से बात करके उनसे रिलेशन फॉर्म करने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, आता है या नहीं आता है, इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो एचआर आपका फील्ड नहीं है. अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो ये स्किल आप डेवलप कर लोगे. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. इफ यू आर एबल टू कनेक्ट विद पीपल यू कैन फॉर्म रिलेशंस, एंड इफ यू कैन फॉर्म रिलेशंस एचआर इज अ फील्ड फॉर यू. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव वेरी गुड सोशल स्किल्स आई कैन डू इट. देयर इज अ लॉट मोर दैट इज नीडेड. Analytical and critical strategic thinking, relationship building, people management, personal drive, business understanding, ethical behavior. Now, I as someone in human resources of an organization that has 10,000 people would possibly have access to salaries of those 10,000 people. अगर मेरा फ्रेंड आके मुझसे पूछेगा कि यार मेरी सैलरी इतनी है, मेरी ही टीम में उस ABC की सैलरी कितनी है, तो मैं क्या करूँ? बताऊँ या नहीं बताऊँ? मेरा फ्रेंड है यार, पता होना चाहिए. आई हैव टू हेल्प. आप एचआर में बताना. You have to be very ethical. You can't share any information. In fact, any profession sharing information is a big no. Very big no. You have to be very sure of what kind of information you're sharing and why are you sharing. Why would you want to share somebody else's information with anyone? Even if in a casual way. Kyun? So, ethics and ensuring that you are very careful about what information you're sharing is very important in any kind of a role. HR very specifically, yes it is. That are otherwise available, but these are a few colleges that you can go to get your degrees in HR in India. Accelera is the first one and top of the mind. There is this.
आप नोट कर सकते हैं if you are really serious about human resource as a profession, you can note it down.
MDI, this is in Gurgaon, a very good college, and as far as human resources is concerned, they really have very good faculty. IMG Ghaziabad, Delhi School of Economics, one of a rare thing, that's something that is a part of the university of one of the states, being one of the top colleges as a management courses for from DU, Delhi School of Economics. It's really good with human resources. They have a course called MHROD, Masters of Human Resources and Organization Development. Very good college, and admissions be fairly simple hai, because it's DU led, so a lot of weightage is given to what you are doing in your current courses, your current percentage, and of course there is a test. So there's an equal percentage to the test and to your current percentage, so to say. Then University of Business School in Punjab, that's also a very good school. Xavier Institute of Social Sciences in Jharkhand just entered into this list, but a very good school. I can even forward this list to Puneet, who can share it with you. Things like Harvard Business Reviews, network with people, interpersonal skills. जितना network करोगे उतनी jobs के बारे में पता चलेगा. Do research of the industry trends. For example, एक time था जहाँ BPO में बहुत hiring हो रही थी, अब नहीं हो रही है. IT में बहुत hiring हो रही थी, web development में बहुत हो रही थी, अब नहीं हो रही है. तो अब hiring हो कहाँ रही है? किस तरीके की jobs available है? I've done a course in commerce. Where will I get a job? What kind of a job will I get? What kind of a job should I aspire basis the skill and the knowledge that I have? So unless you do your research, nobody will be able to help out. आप रिसर्च करके अपनी लिस्ट बनाओ कि इस टाइप की जॉब्स के लिए शायद मैं फिट होती हूँ, फिर उसके हिसाब से स्टार्ट सीइंग व्हाट आर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस दैट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ जॉब। फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे सिर्फ बोलना आता है, तो मेरे बोलने के इस स्किल पे मुझे कहीं जॉब मिल सकती है, कहाँ मिल सकती है, कौन सी वाली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है तो वहाँ कैसी पोजीशन होती है, कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया जाए। एकदम से मैनेजर कोई नहीं बनता, start to trainee, executive, senior executive, that's the kind of road that you have to take. Also not just because अब पैटर्न है तो फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, बट अगर सीधे आपको किसी ने मैनेजर बना दिया और आपके ऊपर एक बहुत ही क्रिटिकल टास्क आ गया, आपको नहीं करना आया, तो मैनेजर बनने का फ़ायदा क्या? अनलेस आपको करना आता हो, उस लेवल पे पहुंचने का कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है। अब करने के लिए तो नीचे से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। सो यू हैव टू एनालाइज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पोजीशंस डू यू रियली फिट इनटू and then start applying for them. There are a lot of organizations established, small and medium enterprises, startups. A lot of people need people who will understand human resources and want to work with them. There is no dearth of jobs in this. It's just that you should know what kind of job you're willing to do and where do you fit in. And then application also is fairly simple. Aajkal to Naukri.com and Monster and this and that, there's just too many. Apply through them, apply directly to the companies. If you go to, let us say you go to EY, Ernst & Young. Ernst & Young की खुद की वेबसाइट पे बहुत सारी जॉब्स लिस्टेड होती है। इनफैक्ट उनको ट्रेनीज की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, तो वो भी वहाँ वो लिस्ट करते हैं। सो अप्लाई ऑन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वेबसाइट। ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको किसी कंसल्टेंट को रेज्यूमे भेजना है और वही आपको जॉब दिलाएगा। आप अगर कंपनीज को डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करोगे तो उधर से भी बहुत जॉब्स मिलती है। It's just that you need to be persistent. एक बार अप्लाई करके अगर 6 महीने बैठ जाओगे तो पता नहीं, उन्हें भी पता नहीं कि आप इंटरेस्टेड हो। शायद एक फॉलोअप से फ़र्क पड़ जाए। एक बार मेल डाल दो कि मैंने आपको आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अप्लाई किया था, कैन आई नो व्हाट इज़ द स्टेटस ऑफ माई रिज्यूमे। अप्लाई फॉर ट्रेनिंग्स एंड इंटर्नशिप एंड कंटिन्यू लर्निंग as much as you can. Read. Keep your eyes open, network with people, learning comes through that. Learning will not only come through classroom trainings like this or interactions like this. The more you meet people, the more you discuss on relevant topics, the more you learn. कुछ भी करना है लाइफ में, कैसा भी रोल चाहिए, HR, non-HR, sales, marketing, any kind of role, this is a book, must read. You all should read because this gives a lot of understanding how organizations develop, what do people collectively together do in organizations. Rest are all HR based books. I can again forward the list to Puneet and he can share it with you. In India, HR is evolving, it is bound to evolve much more, but there are a lot of, I would say, there's a lot of scope in what you can do with human resources in India. That's all what I have. Any questions that I can answer for you?
Ma'am, you said we need to make network with people. So what kind of people are we supposed to make network with?
You've heard of a platform called LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a platform that brings a lot of professionals together. In fact, ProWisdom is also one of the platforms which is bringing professionals together. You connect with those professionals. They write a lot about what they're doing for the day. जैसे मेरे पास एक difficult situation थी आज handle करने के लिए, I would possibly at the end of the day write, जैसे Facebook पे लिख देते हैं ना, had fun with my friends today, ऐसे लोग LinkedIn पे भी लिखते हैं, I had this difficult situation to handle, this is how I managed it today. There's a lot of discussion topics that come on LinkedIn, so you participate in those discussion topics. That's one area where people come, talk about various positions that they have, what are the kind of organizations that they work with, what else is happening in the professional world largely, not necessarily HR but professional world largely. So that's one place. And of course within yourselves, आप सब लोग भी अगर एक बार बैठ के बात करोगे कि फ्यूचर में करना क्या है, मेरे को ये पता है कि इस टाइप की जॉब्स होती है, किसी और को शायद कुछ और पता होगा. Maybe that kind of sharing knowledge, your teachers, your parents, people who are in your family and friends who are already working, you can also speak to them about these things. I mean, there's no end to networking. Network can be with anybody and anywhere.